you will never get your favorite top waivers waves.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I repeat, no matter how much you brush like that waiver and the exact same motions as that waiver, your waves will never be like that waiver's waves.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Y'all already know who I be. It's Swole Waiver, the Swollest Waiver on YouTube. Alright, I know y'all saw the beginning of this video. It was like, damn, man, bro, so negative. No, I wasn't being negative. Just let me explain what I meant by that, alright? What I meant by that is saying that we get caught up so much in this wave game and as just humans, period, that we want to copy people's style exactly to the T. Exactly to the T. We want to copy people's style exactly to the T because we want what they have. And I want to tell you that no matter how much you copy somebody's style to the T, you're not going to get what they have. Okay? That's the problem with us today. We want what other people have exactly. That's not going to happen, man. What I don't want you all to think is that I'm being negative. That's the furthest thing from the truth. What I want people to start doing is taking stuff that they see, that they like from a person, and learning from it. Not copying. You want to learn from that person. And you take bits and pieces of the things that they're showing you and that they're telling you, and you make it your own, man. And the same thing, it applies in life. It applies in waves. It applies to everything, man. The reason I was saying that you'll never get the waves exactly how your favorite waiver has their waves is because everybody's different, man. You're not sharing the same genetics as that person that you're idolizing or wishing that you had their waves. Like I said, DNA, genes. I mean, y'all we're different people basically, man. So what I want you to do is when you're watching your favorite waiver, whether it be me, or it be a 360 G's or a PB or a Cruise, take what they're telling you and showing you and learn from it. Take bits and pieces of what each one of those guys is showing you and create your own style. Because just because they brush a certain way, your hair is not going to turn out exactly like theirs. There's no guarantee that your hair will turn out like theirs. None at all. And that can be discouraging to a lot of people. That's why I say you take bits and pieces of what they say and what they show you, and you make it your own. Learn your own hair. So I'm going to show you all what I mean by that, because I used to do the same thing. I used to see people with waves and be like, damn, what you do to get your hair like that? How do you brush your hair? And they showed me, and no matter how much they showed me, I go home and I try, and it just didn't work out for me until I learned my own pattern. That's why you got to take bits and pieces of what people show and tell you and create your own. Right now, I'll show y'all the side that was giving me the most problems, and it was all because of the angles I was brushing my hair in. I was trying to copy everybody else's angles except learning my own. That's why I said, no matter if you copy somebody's brush style to a T, that doesn't mean that your hair is going to turn out like that. It's not going to turn out like that. There's no guarantee. So that's why you need to learn how your hair grows. All right. So I'm going to show you all this real quick. So if y'all can see this spot right here, my hair, it looks like I brush my hair coming down. That's how it looks like I brush my hair, coming down like this. But I don't. How I brushed that section in two parts, and it took me a while to learn this, but I got it down. So what I did right here is I would take the brush, put it right here, and I will brush that straight down. Right there, straight down. I'm not coming down here with it. I'm brushing straight down with it. That's how I'm brushing it, straight down. Now, when it comes to this side right here, excuse me, when it comes to this side right here, that's when I was brushing at an angle. It looks like I'm getting into this portion up here, but I'm not. I'm brushing it straight down there. Straight down. That's how I got this side to come in better. I will brush right here, straight down. I wasn't brushing like that. I don't brush like that because that wasn't working for me. My waves wasn't forming that way because my hair doesn't grow that way. So I had to figure out my own way. After looking at all those different videos, you have to figure out your own way. So hopefully this inspires you all to figure out your own way. Look at the videos, take in all that knowledge, but at the same time, try different things out for your hair because everybody's hair doesn't grow the same no matter how you brush your hair. All right. So again, I'm going to show you all. I'm brushing straight down right here. This is how I brush my hair, straight down. And then when I get to this portion over here, this is when I'm coming towards my ear. So to the temple right here, to the temple. And then when I come down here, it's to the ear. When I get here, this is when I get to swirling. This is how I get to swirling. All right. I just want to show you all that by learning your own pattern, learning your own brush strokes, that's how you're going to develop the best waves that you can get. All right. Not by copying the way somebody else brushes to the T. That's not going to produce the best waves that you can get. Okay. So again, it's not a discouraging video. Just trying to uplift y'all, to show y'all how to be the best waver that you can be, and stop copying folks. Take the knowledge that they give you and apply it to your own and find your own way. All right. So I thank you all for watching this video. I'm about to get into a serious brush session right now, and I'll get at y'all at a later time. Be looking out for my chest workout video, cause you want your lady to put their head up on your chest, man. Show y'all how to get all this. That top shelf right here. A lot of niggas got a chest and it's flat right here and cups down here. But you gotta have a complete chest. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get a complete chest. Not just the bottom part, but develop a whole chest. Instead of damn brush up on your shelf. That's how you know that chest real. All right. So y'all stay tuned, looking out for more videos from me. And I appreciate every subscriber and every viewer. So let me get to this brush session. Y'all get out my bathroom. I'm out.
Oh, shit, that's just too easy. No. That shit is too easy. It's too easy. No. That shit is too easy. Fuck it. I don't even want to play no more. I'm through. I don't play no more.